Okay, so this will be example number 3 in sketching the graph of rational functions. We have the function f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared minus 9. So we are asked to sketch the graph of this function. So we're going to follow the 8-step rule in sketching the graph of rational functions. But before that, let us first simplify the expressions of the rational function kasi there is a common factor on top tsaka sa bottom of our rational functions. Okay. Simplify. So we have x squared, f of x, plus x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared minus 9. So pag sinimplify natin yan, ang factors on top ay x minus 3, x plus 1. Okay? Sa baba is x minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay? So, papansin natin, makakancel yung x minus 3. Okay? We have x plus 1 and x plus 3 is our new expressions dun sa right side of our rational function. Okay? So, we have now a new form of expression ng ating rational function, yung right side ng ating rational function. Naging x plus 1 over x plus 3 na lang siya. Na-cancel yung x minus 3. What does it mean? Na-simplify lang siya. But still, the function is not defined at x equals 3 because if we're going to solve uh, the vertical asymptotes by equating x squared minus 9 to 0, it will come out that x plus 3 and x minus 3 are the factors. Therefore, x equals negative 3 and x equals 3 are the vertical asymptotes. Ibig sabihin nito, yung x equals 3 ay hindi vertical asymptote. Okay? Kasi na-cancel siya. Ito lang ang vertical asymptotes. Pero, it doesn't mean na hindi natin i-consider yung x equals 3. Paano consideration ang gagawin sa x equals 3? Ibig sabihin to, still, the function is not defined at x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. Naroon pa rin siya. Kasama pa rin siya sa restriction ni x. Okay? And later on, I'm going to show you sa graph kung ano equivalent niya. Okay? Kasi na-cancel si x minus 3. But still, the function is not defined at x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. We have only separate representation of this factor na na-cancel or restriction do sa graph ng ating rational function. Okay. Now, ito lang ating vertical asymptote. Okay? Kunin natin si intercept. Let's say y-intercept. To solve for the y-intercept, we let x equals 0. So, ibig sabihin, tatama siya sa anong value? So, if x equals 0, we determine f of 0. Sorry. So, we determine f of 0. So, we have 0 plus 1, 0 plus 3. We have 1/3. So, sa y-intercept, tatama siya sa 0, 1/3. And for the x-intercept, we let y equals 0. Okay? So, we have 0 equals x plus 1. So, we have x equals negative 1. So, ang ating x-intercept is negative 1, 0. Then, the vertical asymptote. Paano vertical asymptote? So, ito na lang. No? So, we have x equals negative 3 is our vertical asymptote. Okay? Yung kanina, kapag dito tayo nag-base, yung x plus 3, x minus 3 equals 0, or x equals 3 is not the vertical asymptote. Okay? I'm going to show you later dun sa equivalent graph niya. Then the horizontal asymptote. Since equal pa rin yung degree ng ating numerator, degree of x on the numerator sa degree of x sa denominator, our horizontal asymptote will be the quotient of the leading coefficients on top and bottom. So 1 over 1. So y equals 1 ang ating horizontal asymptote kasi ang coefficient dito is ng x ay 1, coefficient ng x dito is 1. So we have y equals 1 is the horizontal asymptote. Okay? So, additional points tayo. So, we have now the summary of the computed values. We have x-intercept located at negative 1, 0. Y-intercept located at 0, 1/3. Horizontal asymptote is the equation y equals 1. The vertical asymptote is x equals negative 3. Okay, so i-plot natin yung mga points na yan at lagay natin yung equation of the horizontal and vertical asymptote sa ating xy plane. So ating horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. So we have here so ito yung ating y equals 1 horizontal asymptote. Ang vertical asymptote natin ay x equals negative 3. So ito yung negative 3. So we have 1. So ito si x equals negative 3. Okay. So gawa tayo additional points here. We have x and this is f of x. Lagay tayo to the left of negative 3. Let's say negative 5. X is negative 5. So we have, let's say, negative 4. Negative 4, so negative 3 on top. Negative 1, so we have 3. Okay. Let's say negative 3.5. Dito na, pataas na siya doon. Dito na lang to the right of negative 3, let's say negative 2. Negative 2, that would be negative 1. 1 is negative 1. Let's say negative 1. So negative 1, ay natatama na. So 0 na lang. If x is 0, we have 1/3. Okay. So dito siya. Negative 5, negative 4, negative 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So ito. And then, negative 4, 3, negative 4, 3. So, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1. Negative 0, 1/3. 0, 1/3. Ito. Sabihin ito pag ganito yung ating graph. Sabihin ko ito. Then pataas siya doon. Okay, pataas siya doon. Ito naman pag ganito siya. Now, paano pag na-reach niya yung 3 dito? Kasi from the original denominator of our rational function, lumalabas restriction din ng denominator nito, yung x equals 3. Because if that happens, from the original value of our rational function, that will become 0 on our denominator. Since hindi siya naging vertical asymptotes, what does it mean? So, isolve natin si value of y when x equals 3. Okay? If x equals 3, here, dagdagan natin. So, if x equals 3, that will be 4 on top and 9 here. 6 here. So, that will become 2/3. So, y equals 2/3. So, saan yan? Nandito siya. So, 3 2/3. Ito. Okay. So, 3 2/3 nandito. Ang katumbas niya sa graph ay whole. Okay? May butas siya doon. Okay? Hindi siya pwedeng uh, may discontinuity dun sa part na yon ng ating graph. Kasi originally, siya ay restriction talaga ng ating function, yung x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. But it so happens there are common factors on top and bottom of our rational function na cancel sa x minus 3. So the representation on the graph of this rational function is a whole. Okay? So ito yung whole natin. The whole is located at 3, 2/3. Okay. So that will be the equivalent graph of the rational function f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared minus 9. But now, it is a form of x plus 1 over x plus 3. But, as I've said earlier, 3 is also part of the restriction of our of the rational function. Therefore, the domain of this is all reals except x equals positive and negative 3. Kasama pa rin siya sa restriction ng 3. When it comes to the domain, all reals ang domain natin except y equals 1. Okay? So range is all reals except y equals 1. Okay? So that will be the graph of that will be example 3 in sketching the graph of rational function.